enshrined in our constitution is this right, kuti you must not be discriminated. And I know kuti I just spoke of race, and it because I think it's the most emotive for people. But there's a whole lot of discrimination that is happening, and unfortunately I have to say this, especially kuma rural areas, right? And I say especially, I'm not saying exclusively, because in schools, it's very hard for men to actually understand and accept that there's equality between men and women. Mm-hmm. To this day, you will still see discrimination in terms of gender or sex. And I know that our pressure groups have done amazingly, to try and open up people's minds. Sometimes the ignorance, sometimes loku kuzo kwakaita munhu achiudza kuti aiwa, vasikana vakaita so kana vakomana vakaita so, okay? And it's just like the discrimination that men suffer when they want to be